Shandong Huadong Blower Company was founded in 2010, located in Zhangqiu District, Jinan City, Shandong Province, with a registered capital of 100 million yuan, a total area of 150 acres, with more than 300 employees, more than 100 sites of CNC machining center equipment. Is a collection of product research and development, manufacturing, precision testing in one of the modern enterprises.
At present, there are 2 production lines. Now we will take you to visit roof blower production line. Behind me is a roof blower machining workshop. This workshop has more than 40 sets of CNC machining equipment, mainly processing roof blower shell, impeller, fuel tank, and wall panels and other spare parts.
The impeller is machined by high-precision bidirectional surface planer and 4-axis vertical machining center. The shell is machined by Taiwan Dali 806 station horizontal machining center. The wall panel is machined by New Wave 4-axis vertical machining center in the United States, and the fuel tank is machined by high-precision gantry machining center. After the impeller machining is completed, this high-precision balancing instrument should be used to carry out balancing experiments to ensure the smooth operation of the blower.
The workshop behind me is our electric welding workshop. This workshop below material, electric welding, shaft blasting, spray, and other processes.
The blanking area has 2 high-precision laser cutting machines. One cutting thicker plate, one cutting thinner plate, improve production efficiency. The electric welding area has 2 welding robots, including 1 welding turret and 1 welding base, to ensure the efficiency and quality of welding. Complex welding parts are completed by experienced welding technicians. Before spraying, the welded parts need to be short blasted. The main function of the process is to remove rust, clean the surface oil, and increase the surface adhesion. Spraying is done in a professional spraying room. These processes make the workpiece more beautiful and has a longer life and corrosion resistance than the ordinary painting process.
Here we go to see the installation process of roof blowers.
We have a professional production and assembling team, only strict assembling standards, rigorous quality control in order to ensure the excellent products.
In order to ensure the quality of the blowers, we will test each blower before the leaving factory to test the flow rate, temperature, vibration indicators of the blower to meet the standards. The area behind me is the assembly and the delivery area of roof blowers.
Before the blower is packed, there will be a special person to clean the surface, and the quality inspection personnel will re-inspect the blower before the packaging, so as to minimize the probability of faulty products. Blower packing wooden box built in welding steel frame to minimize the blower damage during transportation.
Behind me is our roof blower parts warehouse. There are plenty of spare parts in the warehouse to ensure that all types of blowers can be delivered within 30 days.
Castings in the casting warehouse are placed neatly, and all cast iron blocks are sprayed with white anti-rust paint before leaving the factory to prevent the blast from rusting during transportation, affecting product quality, which is the best quality castings in China. Stainless steel castings in sufficient stock, delicate appearance, excellent product quality.
The above is the highest production output of roof blowers and roof vacuum pumps. 10,000 units of equipment are processed and sold from this workshop to various regions every year. Above is all about the production line of our roof blower production line. Now we will take to visit another production chain of our company, turbo blower production line. First of all, the blank library, our main parts of micromotor blanks, are low-pressure casting process. This process of casting out of the aluminum alloy, the surface is delicate and beautiful. Casting strength is higher. The impeller blank is made of high-strength forged aluminum alloy, which is not only lightweight but also has strong deformation resistance. Secondly, there is a warehouse of turboblower parts with sufficient stock, which not only ensures the delivery time but also allows for a faster response if there are any after-sales problems. The workshop behind me is the magnetic levitation motor workshop. This workshop has more than 30 sets of CNC machining equipment, mainly produces magnetic levitation motors and core spare parts.
The main shaft is machined by American New Way CNC slanting lathes, and the dramatic balance test is carried out by German Schenker high-precision dynamic balance instrument. The casing and bearing seat are machined by American New Way 4-axis vertical machining center. The worm shell is machined by high-precision horizontal machining center, and the magnetization is carried out on this magnetizing machine after the spindle machine is completed. The impeller is machined by South Korean Doshan 5-axis machining center, and the machining precision is checked with 3 coordinate testers to ensure the quality of the product.
Next is the air suspension motor workshop.
As the core parts of the magnetic levitation blower, the manufacturing and testing of the magnetic levitation bearings and controllers are very important. They are all processed and tested in the magnetic levitation bearing workshop behind me. The warehouse and the machining workshop have been visited, and then we will look at the turboblower workshop. On the left hand is our turboblower assembly. Assembling technicians, each group of 3 people, respectively responsible for the inverter, motor, magnetic bearing controller installation, as well as cable connection, pipe assembly, and so on. Here is the test room. In order to ensure the quality of the blower, the factory will carry out 3 rounds of testing on each blower to ensure that the blower flow, pressure, temperature, noise, vibration, and many other data in line with the factory standards. Above is all about our turboblower production line. Our company started the blower business in 2007, featuring high efficiency and energy saving and green environmental protection. We mainly engaged in more than 20 products, including magnetic levitation high-speed centrifugal blower, magnetic levitation high-speed centrifugal compressor, magnetic levitation turbine vacuum pump, air levitation high-speed centrifugal blower, air levitation vacuum pump, air levitation high-speed aerator, energy-efficient roof blower, VR steam compressor, etc. We are chasing the ultimate product at the same time, but also on the sales, service, and after-sales system construction excellence, sales and service outlets throughout the country, and exported to more than 100 countries and regions to achieve the whole process from research and development and design to the finished product factory. The independent control for the stability of the product, durability to provide a full basis for the reliability of the guarantee. If you still want to know more, welcome to visit our company and communicate with us on the spot.